Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's Corner. I trust you guys are doing great. Yes, if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. A big welcome to you, and to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you. So guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video is being posted here. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and share. Yes, do be good to also comment in the comment section below what you think about this video. So guys, today we'll be making oha soup. Oha is a leaf. Yes, oha is a leaf. So we are making ede soup actually, but oha is a key ingredient in this particular soup. Yes, in making ede soup we have the one that they use bitter leaf to make. That's where you hear ofo nibu. But today we'll be making oha. So oha is what we are using for our ede soup today, guys. Oha can be used to make achi. If you are from the east, you understand what I'm talking about. Can be used to make achi, can be used to make isiochai, can be used to make oarubo. But guys, we are using it for ede today. Some part of the east calls oha ora, but I know it to be called oha, so that's what I'll be calling it today, oha leaf. So we are making our ede soup with oha leaf. So guys, before we dive into the kitchen, let's see or hear the benefits that is contained in this particular leaf. It boosts production of red blood cell. It is rich in iron, which facilitates the production of hemoglobin. Promotes good digestion, so including oha leaf in your cooking helps facilitate better digestion. Good for your bones, so eating oha leaf also benefits your bones as well. Regulates blood pressure. It is rich in potassium and magnesium, so these two nutrients reduces blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel. It helps in treating diarrhea. Oha leaf is rich in zinc, which is very useful in the treatment of diarrhea. Keeps your joints healthy. It helps your joints. It keeps your joints healthy, which reduces the pains that comes with arthritis. Good for diabetes patients. Yes, it's good for diabetes patients. Oha leaf Oha leaf has a low glycemic indices and regulates the blood glucose level. It boosts the immune system. Oha leaf contain phytochemical and antioxidants that can strengthen the immune system to fight off diseases and infection. It boosts liver and kidney health, prevents cancer. Yes. So when next we are using oha to cook any of this soup, like the achi, the oha, or whatever, just know that you are giving your body the nutrients and the things that it needs for it to stay healthy. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the kitchen. Guys, we are using oha leaf for our soup, and it's a special one in terms of cooking ede soup. I'm also using uziza leaf, but I'm specifically showing you this one because it's a special one for this soup. Guys, we have our chicken. We are using chicken to make this soup. So yes, this is our chicken. And guys, we also have cocoyam, which is the ede that we'll be using to make the soup. As we said, ede soup or oha soup. We have banga, which is palm kernel. We have stockfish. Yeah, we have stockfish and the fresh fish, also known as cubian or Titus fish. Yeah, we have crayfish. Yeah, we'll be using crayfish. Crayfish is very important to our soup, and it also gives it taste. Yes, it helps it to be tasty. Then we have dried fish. This will also add taste to our soup. Yeah, we have dried fish, and also guys, we have our seasoning. We have our red pepper here that will be adding to the soup. We have seasoning here that will be adding to the soup. We have salt for taste. We have black pepper. Yeah, black pepper has its own unique aroma
and also we have our local seasoning. It also has its own unique aroma. Yeah, these are what we'll be using as a seasoning for the soup, and we move over to process our palm kernel, which is the banga as is known generally. We cook the palm kernel and start processing it. So these are palm kernel which has been cooked. We are going to be processing it right now. So pound in a mortar with a pestle, and then add warm water to extract the content that is contained in this particular one. Guys, our coconut is ready, and then we are going to peel right now. It has been cooked, so we're going to peel it and then pound into a very smooth paste. As you can see, it's a very nice one, but everything was properly cooked. Sometimes you find out that your coconut, there will be some that will not done properly and it will be very difficult to pound. So this one is a very nice one. So go ahead to add red oil. Adding of red oil allows it to melt properly in the pot and easily. So that's the reason why I'm adding red oil. Although there are some people that does not add red oil to theirs, but it's very important that you add it because it will give it a very good texture. Yeah, a very smooth texture. Yeah. So guys, let's go on. Right now I'll be adding the spices into the pot, and add the palm kernel extracted content. So I've added our salt, red pepper, and black pepper will also go in. We'll add our seasoning. We'll add the local seasoning too. Then we'll add crayfish before adding the extracted content that we got from the palm kernel. Yes guys, that is what we are using to boil. We also add our chicken stock. Guys, I did not extract the content from the palm kernel into the pot directly as usual, because sometimes you find out that whatever food you make with palm kernel, so that you find out that you have this sound inside. It is as a result of the particles that is contained in the palm kernel. So I had to filter into a bowl and then pour it gently, and you discover you have some particles at the bottom of the bowl which you have to throw away. So guys, that's it. So we'll add our crayfish right now, and then add the contents that we got from the extracted banga, yeah, from the palm kernel. So yes guys, we are doing it. So right now I'm adding the juice, the content that we got from the banga palm kernel. So after adding this one, I'll be adding the chicken stock. Yeah, I'll be adding the chicken stock into it, and then allow to boil properly. After boiling, I'll be taking out the fresh fish so that it does not get pieces inside the pot. So guys, let's go on. Guys, as you can see, it has gotten to a very good boil. I'll be adding the cocoyam, which is our egg, into it, and also allow it to get properly boiled. Yeah, we'll allow it to boil properly so it will get melted, and then we add our vegetable. Guys, it has gotten really boiled, as you can see. So our vegetable will be going in, which is our oha leaf. Our oha leaf will be going in alongside the uziza leaf that we added to it. So guys, let's go. Look at it. Our oha leaf is going in and our soup is almost ready. Yes, by the time this just got boiled, we'll add if there's more salt to be added to it, and that is it. Our soup is ready. Our oha soup is ready. So I'll give it a stir, then allow it to boil a little, then add whatever seasoning or salt to taste if need be. Must first of all taste to see if there's any need to add more salt or seasoning. So guys, our soup is almost ready. So here is our ofoha. Yeah, our ofoha is ready. Our oha soup is ready. So I'm going to add the fish that I removed and just bring it down and serve. Guys, try this and tell me what you think in the comment section. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching and share this video. Thank you guys.
Isn't that inviting? Yes guys, it's really inviting because oha leaf or ede soup is a really nutritional and delicious soup. When it comes to our local foods, they are really delicious. So guys, try it out. Tell me what you think in the comment section below, and yes, I'll be back soon with another one. So guys, I'll be back soon with another one. Until then guys, stay blessed and thank you for watching. Bye.